For today's software engineering interview, we'd like you to explain the difference between stateless and stateful architecture. In a stateful architecture, we store information about the users within our server. For example, if we had a Minecraft application, this would be like storing your inventory in memory on the Minecraft server. If the server crashes, we'd lose all this information. Makes sense. What would the same application look like with a more stateless design? With a stateless design, we delegate that responsibility to the database. Now, all our server has to do is just run logic, and if it needs to get information about the client, it can do that inside the database. What are some of the advantages of the stateless design here? Now, a huge advantage of this is that it makes horizontal scaling like this very easy. Because all the information is stored in the database, all we have to do is just go to any server we want, and that can get information about the client from the database itself. All right, now what are some of the disadvantages? Well, as you might have noticed, we now have to make a request to our database, which is an external server, every time we want to get information. So this can add a lot of latency to our requests. Makes sense. Now, is it possible to scale horizontally while maintaining a stateful architecture? You can do horizontal scaling with a stateful design, but now your load balancer needs to be able to maintain which request should go to which server because that server has a state itself. Additionally, if one of these server crashes, there is no redundancy. You're going to lose what's in RAM.